Sir, integers include positive and negative numbers.
Okay, good. So, in place of P and Q, it can be any number.
So,
It can be any positive number or any negative number, but in place of Q,
so we write 0 and in place of p we write minus 2.
okay. So we have only one restrictions in denominator. There should not be zero. Okay, and as you can see here, -1, 3, 0, 5 divided by 2, and 7 divided by 4, and -6 divided by 5. Okay, these all are rational number. Thus mute yourself. Okay, if there is no number in the denominator, then you have to understand there is 1. Okay, as you can see here, if in this 3 there is no any number in denominator, so you have to understand there is 1.
1.
Okay, in the similar way, in 0 also there is no any number in denominator, so we will understand here which number is present in 0, 1. Okay, so if in any number there is no any denominator written, that means you have to always understand there is a number which is 1. Okay, and so in the form of pyq, -1 divided by 1. Okay, -1 is also an integer and 1 is also an integer, and in the similar way this 3 is 3 divided by 1. So in place of p
Sir,
there is,
0 divided by 1 is equal to 0 only.
yeah, yeah, okay, I know, 0 only. Okay, good. But I am mainly expressing in the form of this p by q. That's why I have written 1 in the denominator. Okay, got the point? So that you can understand either this one is a rational or not. So to this 0 we can write in the form of p by q. In place of p, 0 is here, and in place of q there is 1. So to this 0 we can write in the form of p by q. Okay, that's why 0 is also a rational number. But if we are writing 1 divided by 0, then is this one is a rational? Tell me anyone. Is this 1 divided by 0 will be rational or not?
No.
No. Okay, as we have studied that in place of q there should not be 0. Other than 0, if any number is present, only then it will be a rational number. Okay, so these all are rational number. As you can see, this 5 divided by 7 is a rational number. -7 is also a rational number, and -5 is also a rational number, and if it is written 3 by 4 is a rational number. So these all number are rational number. Okay, good. Now we are moving to the next part. In when we are moving to the next part, then we have to mainly study here equivalent rational number. Okay, if we have given a rational number which is 5 by 4, and if we have to write a equivalent rational number for this rational number, then tell me anyone what will be the
So the
equivalent
question.
rational number.
So the equivalent number will be
Yeah,
25 by 20.
25 by
20.
20. Okay,
If
good.
we see one more, then it will be 20 by 16.
Okay, it can be any number. So if we have given a rational number which is 5 by 4, and if,
So,
yeah,
to find the equivalent fraction, we can take a number and multiply both of them with that same.
Same. Okay, good. Okay, good. If we have to find equivalent rational number, then what we have to
Sir,
do?
divide also.
Yeah, yeah, we can divide also and we can multiply. But we have to keep this thing in mind. Whatever we are dividing or multiplying, we have to multiply from same
Same
number
on
to
the
the
both side.
on in numerator also and denominator. Okay, in the similar way, if we are dividing, so we have to divide from same number to the numerator and to the denominator also. Okay, good. So in this way, we can find equivalent rational number of any given rational number. As you can see here, we have to
Sir,
yeah, fill this.
sir, do we have to note this?
No, no, there is no need. You have to only understand.
This is
Okay,
also recall.
okay. So now we have a rational number which is 12 by 18, and there is one more rational number we have which is 60 divided by 90. And when it will become 60 by 90, so
5 by
you have to fill
5
this.
by 5.
Okay, this 12 will become 60 only when you will
5.
multiply this from 5 in the similar way. When you will multiply to this 18 from 5 only, then it will be 90. Okay, so in place of numerator 5 will come, and in place of denominator also 5 will come. Okay, good. And now what will be in this?
6 by 6.
6 by 6. Okay, when we will divide this 12 from 6 only, then we will get here 2. In the similar way, when you will divide this 18 only from 6 only, then you will get 3. Okay. Hmm. So
It's
these
OE.
okay, so these all were related on the concept of equivalent fraction. In this we have done multiplication, and in this we have done division. Okay, now we are going to move to the next part, and in this we have to comparison of rational number. We have given two rational number. First one is minus 2 divided by 5, and second one is 5 divided by 3. Now we have to compare which one is greater, either minus 2 by 5 or 5 by 3. So for this, what we have to do, if we have given any two rational number and we have to compare which one is greater, then in this we have two methods. uh, just you can simply do the cross multiplication. Look here, so this one is minus 2 and this one is 3. So in this way you have to multiply.
Minus 6.
Okay, when you will multiply to this minus 2 and this 3, then you will get here minus 6. In the similar way, you have to multiply
25.
this 5 and this 5. Okay, so in this you will get here 25. Now you have to compare which one is greater, either minus 6 or
25 is
25.
greater than minus 6.
Okay, so if 25 is greater from minus 6.
Minus
Okay,
6.
so in this way we will open its mouth towards 5 by
Okay.
3. Okay, and in this way we will get 5 by 3 is greater than this minus 2 by 5. And it was very easy. This was this one is a negative rational number and this one is positive, and when there is given a negative and there is one positive, then it will be only positive number will be the greater one in this
Hmm.
case. Okay, but now I am giving one more two rational number. Write down the rational number. First one is 5 by 3, and second one we have 7 divided by 4. Now which one is greater? Tell me everyone, which one is greater, either 5 by 3 or 7 by 4?
So 7 by 4.
7 by 4. Okay, we have to simply do the cross
5 fours are
multiplication here.
20. 5
Okay,
fours are 20. 3 sevens. 3 sevens are 21.
okay, good.
21 is greater, so it will be 7
7 by
by.
4. Okay, good. And we have one more method also. As you can see here, we have just I am writing two rational number which is 5 by 6 and next one is 7 by 4. So we have one more method. For this we have to do the same denominator, and for this you have to take LCM for this and this. Whatever number is present in denominator, you have to take LCM of both the number. So what will be the LCM of this 6 and 4? Tell me anyone. What will be the LCM of this 6 and 4? Hmm. Tell me everyone. What
12.
will 12? Okay, good. So we have to make this 6 12. And how you will make to this 6 to 12? And it will become 12 only when you will multiply to this one from 2. And if you are multiplying to this one from 2, then you also have to multiply this number from 2. In the similar way, uh, to this 4, how you will make 12? And this 4 will become only 12 when you are multiplying from 3. And if you are multiplying from 3 to this one, then you also have to multiply this one from 3. Okay, so in this way you got both denominator become same, as we got rational number which is 10 by 12 and other one is 21 by 12. So in this rational number denominator is 12, and in this rational number also in denominator there is 12. Now we have to only compare in numerator part. So now we have to compare which one is greater, either 10 or 21. Which one is greater, 10 or 21?
21.
Okay. So we will open its mouth towards 21, and it is saying 21 by 12 is greater than 10 by 12. So we can also do in this, by doing this, and
This is very long method. That is shorter one.
but you have to do in in test or in examination in this way. Only then you will get complete marks. It is only for
Sir,
objective question.
but in our book there is only one method. That is the earlier method, not this one.
Okay, no one. But when it is of, if only one question is given and if it is of 1 marks or 2 marks, then when you will do long method only, then you will get here 2 marks. So I have discussed both method, and whatever you want you can follow. Okay, it depends on you. Is it clear to everyone? Both methods are clear to everyone? Let me confirm.
Clear.
Okay, good. So now we are moving to the next part. These all are related to comparison. Which okay, now we have to arrange the given rational number. We have given first rational number is minus 7 by 10, and then 5 by minus 8, and then 2 by minus 3, and then 1 by 4, and then minus 3 by 5. Okay, and we have you have to arrange in ascending order. Tell me anyone, what is the meaning of ascending order? Which one will write first? Smaller one or larger one? Which
Sir,
rational
which
number?
rational number?
Smaller one.
Smaller one. Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Okay, good.
So for this, first of all, we have to write all the rational number which is given here. So first one is 7 by 10, and the second one is 5 divided by minus 6. Sorry, minus 8. Let me wait a minute. My 5 by minus 8. Okay. So the first number is here minus 7 by 10, and then second one is 5 divided by minus 8, and then 2 divided by minus 3, and then 1 divided by minus 4, and then it is 3 divided by minus 5. So what we will do in this case, we have to take the LCM of all the number which is present in denominator. As you can see here, there is 10, there is 8, there is 3, and there is 4, and there is 5. Now we have to take the LCM of all the number. So what will be the LCM for this all number? Tell me anyone. For finding LCM, you have to select greater one, and you have to. Hmm. You, everyone know to find the LCM. Okay, someone is saying 120. Okay, good. So its LCM will be 120. Uh, okay, now if the LCM is 120, so we have to make all rational numbers denominator 120. As you can see here, if this one is minus 7 by 10 and its denominator will be 120 only when you will multiply to this one from 12, and if you are multiplying to this one from 12, then you also have to multiply its numerator also from 12. So in this way you will get here 120 in the denominator. In the similar way, tell me everyone, from which number we will multiply so that we will get here 120. Hmm. From which number we will multiply to this 8 so that we will get here 120. Tell me anyone.
15.
15. Okay, so in this way we have to multiply to this 8 from 15, and if you are multiplying from 15's to numerator also we have to multiply from 15. Okay, in the similar way, from which number you will multiply to this 3 so that this 3 will become 120. So from which number we will multiply?
40.
40. Okay, good. So if you are multiplying to the denominator from 40, so you have to also multiply to numerator from 40. Okay. And now this one is minus 1 by 4. Now from which number you will multiply to this 4 so that you will get here 120. From which number you will multiply? 30.
30.
Okay, good. In the similar way, we have to make this 5 as 120. From which number we will multiply?
24.
25.
No, no, 24. In 25 we will get here 125, but we there is need of 120. Okay, now so first rational number will become minus 84 divided by 120. In the similar way, 75 divided by minus 75 divided by 120. Okay, and now this one is 80
80
divided
divided by 120.
120, and then
30
30.
divided by 120.
Okay, and then 72 divided by 120.
120.
And in each number, before each number there is sign of minus. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so everyone is negative numbers. Now we have to arrange in this way. So if all number are negative, so which one is smaller one? Hmm. Which one is a smaller among all?
Sir, it will be minus 84.
Okay, so first we will write here minus 84.
No, sir, my 30 by minus 120.
This one is larger one. In negative, opposite happens. Okay, the number which is greater.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
When we do the standard form of 30 by minus 120, it will be minus 30 by 120.
What?
And same with 72 by minus 120 also.
Okay, I got your point. But we have to first focus only on numerator part. In numerator, which one is greater? Minus 84. Okay. So this one will be the smaller one. And after that, which one is greater? Minus 80 divided by 120. And then which one is after that? Minus 75 divided by 120. And after minus 75, which number will come? Minus 72 by 120. In the similar way, which number will come after that? This 72 minus 130, minus 130, sorry, minus 72, sorry, minus 30 by 120. Okay, now this one was this
Boarding session.
minus 84, 120 came from which number? Minus 7 divided by 10. Okay, and this one minus 80 divided by 120 came from which number? Third one, which is 2 divided by minus 3. Okay, in the similar way, 75 divided by 120 came from which number? Second number. And second number is here 5 divided by minus 8. Okay, and then it is minus 72 divided by 120. And this one is came from which number? Last one. Okay, minus 3 by 5. Okay, good. And after that, minus 30 divided by 120 came from which number? Fourth one, minus 1 by 4. Okay, so when you will arrange in this way, only then you will get ascending order. In ascending order, what happens? Uh, as you can see here, if we have,
Sir, difficult वाला question though.
yeah, okay, no
The
issue.
difficult वाला question.
Okay, okay, no. So now you can see here, uh, look here. This one is minus 7 by 10 first came, and then 2 by minus 3, and then 5 by minus 8, and then 3 by minus 5, then 1 by 4. You can see here also. Now, what is the amount of pizza eaten by them? Ate 2/3 of pizza. Okay. Now we are going to learn the addition of two rational number. As you can see here, we have two rational number which is 2 by 3, and then we have one more rational number which is 5 divided by 4. So we have generally two method. So first you will,
Sir, LCM वाला और एक ऐड
okay,
करना.
okay. So we have one more method which is three line concept. You can see here. This one is first line, the number which is present here, and the number which is present here. You have to multiply both number. So in the similar way, you have to draw one more line, and whatever number is present here and whatever number is present here, you have to multiply both number. Okay, and then you have to draw one more line, and it is only for denominator part. Okay, whatever number is present in denominator to first rational number, and whatever number is present in denominator to the second number, you have to multiply both the number. Okay, as you can see here, if I am drawing one line, so you have to understand in this way. We have to multiply this 2 and 4, and when you will multiply to this 2 and 4, then you will get here 8. In the similar way, when you will draw one more line, then which number will come on this line? 3 and 5. So you have to multiply this 3 and 5, and when you will multiply, then what you will get here? 3 and 5. It means you will get here 15. In the similar way, uh, we have to draw one more line, and in this line which number will come? This 3 and 4. Only denominator part, whatever number is present in denominator part to both the number, to that number only we have to multiply. So we have to multiply this 3 and 4, and this way we will get here 12. Okay, now we have to do the sum of this 8 and 15, then you will get here 23, and then in denominator it will remain 12. Okay, got the point everyone? Tell me everyone, if you are getting the point, then tell me yes, otherwise tell me no. This one is very easy concept. You have to only understand in mind. We are going to draw a line, and on this line this number and this number will lies. So you have to multiply this both one. In the similar way, you have to draw one more line in this way, and on that line this two number will come. So you have to multiply this one. In the similar way, you have to draw one more line, and on that line this two number will come. So you have whatever number is coming on that line, you have to multiply that number. So this is our three line concept. Is it clear to everyone? Don't take more time to respond. Okay, so now do this question. And you have one more method, we have one more method also. So just I will try to explain. You have to take LCM of whatever number is in denominator. As when you
सर
will
मैं
take LCM,
वही बोल रही थी.
so in this case you will take LCM of whatever number is in denominator. As we have one number is 3, another number we have 4. So when you will take LCM of this 3 and 4, then you will get 12. Okay, and now to this 12 you have to divide from the number which is in denominator. As you can see here, in denominator the number is 3, and to this 3 you have to divide this 12. So after division you will get here 4, and whatever number you are getting after division, to that number you have to multiply the number which is present in denominator. As you can see here, the number is here 2. So you will multiply this 2 and 4, then you will get here 8. In the similar way, to this number which is in denominator, as you can see here, it is 4. And now to this 12 you have to divide from this 12, then you will get 3. And whatever after division you are getting, to that number you have to multiply the number which is present in numerator. As you can see here, there is 5. So you will multiply this 5 to 3, then you will get here 15. Same procedure will happen. Okay, good. But this is more easy. There is no need to take LCM. Only do multiplication and then add, then you will get easily. Okay?
सर
Yeah.
सर 3 लाइन वाला मेथड का वो थर्ड लाइन कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Third line. Third line is only in. Okay, third line is only for whatever number is in denominator. As you can see here, in
सर एक बार
denominator.
सर समझा दो.
Okay, just I'm taking one more example. Okay, no issue. If we have two rational number, first one is 7 divided by 3, and we have one more number, rational number, which is 8 divided by 5. Okay, now we are going to draw 3. Mute yourself. Okay, so
17/12 is the answer.
okay, we have to draw one line in this way and then one more line, and this one is only 4, and this one is only 4, the number which is present in denominator. Okay, as you can see here, uh, this third line is only for this one, the number which is in denominator. As you can see here, the first number is in denominator is 3, and here it is 5. Okay, now we are going to multiply this 7 and 5, and when you will multiply, then you will get here 35. Okay, in the similar way you have to multiply this 3 and 8, then you will get here 24. Okay, and then you have to multiply this 3 and 5, then you will get here 15. Okay, now you have to do the sum of all the number. 59 divided by 15.
सर ये शायद पॉइंट में आएगा ना.
Okay, now do this question. If Ankit ate 2/3 and Obita ate this one of pizza, then how much pizza they ate together? Simply you have to do the sum of both rational number. 2/3 means this one is 2 divided by 3, and other one is 3/4 means it is 3 divided by 4. And now you have to do the sum. So for this, you have to multiply this 2 and this 8. Sorry, 4. So when you will multiply to this 2 and 4, then you will get here 8. In the similar way, you have to multiply this 3 and this 3, then you will get here 9. And then in the third one, what we will do, we have to multiply this 3 and this 4. So in this way, we will get here 12. And now we have to do the sum of this 8 and 9. And when you are doing the sum, then you will get here 17. So its answer will be 17 divided by 12. Okay, good. 17 divided by full, and it is a improper fraction, so you can also write in mixed fraction 1 whole 5 by 12. Okay, good. Now you have one poll question. Try to do this. Find the sum. This is a very easy question. You all have to give its answer only in the class forum. Hmm. There is one number which is 4 by 7, and we have one more number which is 4 by 7. So there is no need to do any cross multiplication. It is simple. When we have two number, if one is in positive and the same number is in negative, and if we have to do the sum, then we will get here 0. So in the similar way, one number which we have which is in positive, and that is 4 by 7, and the same number is in negative. So when you will do the sum, then you will get here 0. So its correct answer will be only A. Okay, good. Good. Now we are going to learn additive inverse. We are going to learn additive inverse. What is additive inverse? Additive inverse is simple. Any number is given, if any number is given which is in positive, so we have to simply do the same number. We have to write the same number, and we have to only change its sign. If this one is positive, then this one will be negative. Okay. As you can see here, if we have given a negative number, so we have to write the number 9 by 3. Now we have to change its sign. If this one is a negative, so its additive inverse will be positive 9 by 3. Okay, everyone is getting the point. Let me confirm. If you are getting the point, then tell me yes, otherwise tell me no. It is clear to everyone? Okay, it is simple. When a number is in positive, then its additive inverse will be negative. Hmm. So now, if Ankit ate 2/3 and Babita ate 3/4 of pizza, then how much more did Babita ate than Ankit? Okay, so Babita has eaten more, so we have to keep this one as greater. So we will take first whatever part Babita has eaten, and then we have to do the additive inverse of whatever part Ankit have eaten. So if he has written how much 2 by 3, 2 by third part, and we have to write the additive inverse of this 2 by 3. So this number is in positive, so its negative part will be additive inverse. Now we have to do the sum. So for this, we will do the cross multiplication to this 3 and 3. When you will multiply to this 3 and 3, then you will get here 9. In the similar way, you have to multiply this 4 and 2, then you will get here 8. Okay, and now you have to multiply this 4 and 3 also, then you will get here 12. And now you have to simplify this 9 minus 8, then you will get here 1 divided by 12. So okay, how much more written? 1 by 12 part. Okay, good. Now you have to find this one.
So,
Yeah.
so do you know anyone named Supreme Bhupalia?
Yeah,
Supreme Bhupalia, sir.
what you are saying?
सर आप किसी आपका नाम क्या है सर?
It is not reflecting.
No, sir.
Just I am writing. Okay. Is it
Okay.
clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have to do the simplification of this. For this, what we have to do? We have given one number which is in mixed fraction, and this one is minus 2 1 whole divided by 9 minus 6. And if there is no any number in denominator, then we have to take a 1. Okay. And now we have to convert this mixed fraction into fraction. So for this, you have to multiply this 2 and this 9. Then you will get 18. And now you have to add 1 in 18. Then you will get here 19. So this number will be minus 19 divided by 9. And this one is 6 divided by 1. Now we have to multiply this 19 and 1. Then we will get here minus 19. And in the similar way, we have to multiply this 9 and 6. So here we will get 54. And now in this way, we have to multiply this 9 and 1. Then you will get here 9. Okay. And now there is minus sign to both the numbers. So we will do the sum. Okay. So we have to add this 54 and 19. So in this way, we will get here 4 and 9 13, and 5 and 1 6, and 1 7. So this will be minus 73 divided by 9. Okay. No one has given its answer. So its answer will be minus 73 divided by 9. Now you can also convert this one into mixed fraction. So what you will write to this one as mixed fraction? Minus 8. Okay. Minus 8 minus 1 by 9. Okay. 73 divided by 9 you can also see here. So now we are moving to the next part, and in this we have to multiply. Okay, we have to multiply two rational number. As you can see here, whenever we have given two rational number and we have to multiply both the rational number, then what we have to do? As we can see, we have two rational number which is 5 divided by 18 into one more number is 6 divided by 20. So we can divide. We have to divide mainly numerator part to the denominator part. Okay, either it is in cross or it is directly numerator denominator dividing. So as you can see here, this 18 is divided from 6 in how many times? 3. So we have done in cross in this way, oblique way, and it can also be divided in this way if it is written 15 and it is 20. So vertically we can also divide 5 3 the 15 and 5 4 the 20. So now this 20 can be divided in how many times? 4 times. So this one is 1 by 3 and this one is 1 by 4. So now when you will multiply to this 1 and 1, then you will get here 1, and 4 3 are 12. So you will get here 1 by 12. Okay. So now you have to follow the same procedure whenever you have to do the multiplication of any two rational number. So as you can see here, you have given one more question, that is how many slices will be in plate if Ankit ate 2 by third of the pizza available in the given plate. Hmm. Do this question. This one is very easy question. What is asking? How many slices will be in the plate if Ankit ate 2 by third of the pizza available in the given plate? So what you will do in this? Hmm. Either subtraction or multiplication or addition. What you will do? You have to consider complete as whole, and we generally take it whole as 1. And to this one, how many? He has 8, 2 by third part has 18. So left part, for this you will do the multiplication to this 1 and 3. Then you will get here 3n in this way. you have to also do the multiplication. So the left part will be 1 by 3. Okay, everyone is saying 6. How is it possible? 6 is a very, it is never possible. Number of slices in the plate is 6. Okay, number of slice. What is asking? How many? Okay, it is slices. It is asking about slices. So you can look here how many slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, total number of slices are 6. Okay, so its correct answer will be, you have to solve in this way. Number of slices available in plate is 6. As you have to count, this one is 1. When you will count, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will get here how total slices is 6. So pizza available in the plate is 6 divided by 8. Okay, total is 8, and out of this 8 slices, only remaining is 6 divided by 8. Okay, now, and 2/3 of 6 by 8 is, so for this we will multiply this 2 by third of this 6 by 8. Okay, then you will get here 4 by 8. So Ankit ate 4 slices. So slices remaining in the plate will be 4, 6 minus 4. And in this way you will get here 2. Okay, now do this question. Okay, do fast. We have no more time and we have lots of question to do. So do fast. This one is very easy question. You have to simply do the multiplication. If no any number will divide, then you have to simply multiply 9 7 ja 63, and when you will multiply to this one, then 8. So minus 63 divided by 8, and this one is percentage only C. Okay, that's why option C is the correct one. Okay, good. Division of two rational numbers. Okay, for division, what we have to follow? Look here, what we will do in division. If we have one number which is 5 by 2, and then it is there is symbol of division, and we have one more rational number which is 3 by 4. So we have to remain, we have to take same number which is in the left hand side. So as we have in the left the number is 5 by 2. Now we are going to do the reciprocal. We have to change the sign of this division. We will change from divide to multiply, and when we will when we will change the sign, then we have to do the reciprocal also here, and we will do only in right hand. You can do any either in left or right, but you have to keep one fix, and one you have to do the reciprocal. Okay, so this 4 will goes to the numerator part, and this 3 will come to the denominator part. And now if this number is divided, then you have to divide. So this 4 is divided from 2 in 2 times. So what will remain? 5 and 2 in numerator, and there will remain only one number in the denominator, which is 3. And now you have to multiply this 5 and 2, then you will get 10, and there is 3. So in this way you will get here 10 by 3. So you have to only keep this thing in mind whenever you are doing multiplication of two rational number. So you have to keep same number to one number, and other have to do the reciprocal. Okay, now what will be the answer for this one? So as you can see here, just I am keeping this number as same, and now we are going to change the from division to multiplication, and this 13 will goes to the numerator, and this 2 will come to the denominator part. Okay, and now you have to do the multiplication. Minus 68 divided by 24. 68 divided by 24, and to this you have to convert into mixed fraction. So which option is correct for this one? Only D part. No, I have done mistake. When you will multiply to this 13 and 17, then you will get here minus 91, and then you have to do the mixed fraction. So we have done all of the things. So now we are going to summarize addition of rational number, subtraction of rational number, multiplication of rational number, division of rational number, and this one is your homework reminder. Okay, whatever is given to you after the class, to that you have to complete. So this one is for homework reminder, and now you have one more bonus question, and try to do this. Try to do this, and what will be the answer for this? Satpal walks 2 by 3 kilometer from a place P towards east, and then from there one whole 5 by 7 kilometer towards west. Where will he be now from P? Okay, what will be the answer for this? Satpal walks 2 by 3 kilometer from a place P towards east. So you have to take this one is place P, and from there he goes to towards east. Okay, as you can see here, what is it is saying Satpal walks 2 by 3 kilometer from a place P. So place P is here.
डाउट ले लो.
Okay, what is your doubt?
हमारा डाउट थोड़ा इस चैप्टर से बाहर रिलेटेड है.
Wait a minute.
मतलब सब कुछ और टाइप का है.
Okay, you will be given a special class for this one.
No,
First of all,
not that type of doubt. Please once listen.
I will discuss after that. First, I have to solve this one.
Okay.
This one is place P, and it is going towards east. How many kilometer? 2 by 3 kilometer. And then from there towards west. Okay. Satpal walks 2 kilometer from P towards east, and then from there. So here is to here, and then from here it is going towards west. So where will he now from P? So this one is in this how much he have traveled? One whole 5 by 7. First you have to compare which one is greater. So this one is 7 and 12 by 7. Okay. So we have 2 by 3, and this one is 12 by 7. Which one is greater? 14. 14, and so this one is greater. So from how much it is greater? So you have to subtract 12 by 7 minus 2 by 3. For this 12 3 is 36 minus 14 divided by 21. Okay, now you have to do the subtraction. You have to find the difference of this 36 and 14. So 4 and 6 2, and this one is 3 and 1, 22 divided by 21. So this one will be the correct answer for this. Okay, you can see here 22.
Will be in the mixed fraction.
Okay. So in this way we have completed all this. What was the doubt?
So can we leave the class?
Yeah. If you have no doubt, then you can leave the class. What?
सर हमारा डाउट सुन लो जो हमें था.